JCB Fast Trick 2. JCB Fast Trick 2 is a concept, high-performance version of the JCB Fast Trick tractor line, famous for its ability to move the fastest in the world in the tractor segment. The world's fastest tractor, reaching a speed of 217 kilometers per hour, registered in the Guinness World Records in 2019. Developed from the JCB Fast Trick 8000, but has been extremely powerfully modified. Equipped with a JCB 7-point to L6 cylinder turbo engine, increasing the capacity to 1,000 horsepower.
AXL Autonomous Truck A. The AXL Autonomous Truck is an advanced truck design for automated transport in a variety of industries, especially mining and heavy logistics. It operates without human intervention, using advanced sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence to control and perform tasks autonomously.
Roadway Kit.
Roadway Kit is part of the JCB product portfolio, providing effective solutions for road construction and maintenance. This equipment helps optimize the work process and ensure the quality of traffic works. Can create a flat road on bad terrain. Helps vehicles move easily on all bad terrain. Bobcat Trencher. The Bobcat Trencher is a type of construction equipment designed to dig trenches in a variety of soil types. It is commonly used in landscaping, utility installation, and construction projects where precise trenching is required.
JCB 116 Soil Compactor. The JCB 160 is a high-performance, single-drum soil compactor engineered for efficient compaction across various soil types, including granular and cohesive materials. The combination of a high front weight ratio and a dynamic vibration system ensures maximum compaction performance, reducing the number of passes required. A thicker drum shell and stiffener rings enhance durability and extend the lifespan of rubber mounts by 50 to 100% compared to competitors. The JCB Diesel Max engine delivers peak torque at just 2,000 revolutions per minute, offering excellent fuel efficiency and low noise levels. The JCB 160 is robust design, powerful engine, and operator-centric features make it a reliable choice for construction and infrastructure projects. Vinbin MCC Hun. An excavator magnet is a specialized attachment designed to lift and transport ferrous materials such as scrap metal, steel beams, and rebar. These magnets are commonly used in demolition sites, scrapyards, and recycling facilities to efficiently collect and move metal debris, enhancing site safety and operational efficiency. Clears hazardous metal objects from sites, minimizing risks. Reduces equipment wear and tear by preventing metal debris from damaging machinery.
Maxi Soil 350. The Maxi Soil 350 is a high-performance heavy-duty tiller design for deep tillage and soil preparation. It is widely used in agriculture for tasks such as soil amendment, mixing and breaking up compacted soil layers to improve soil structure and enhance crop growth.
Excavator Demolition. An excavator demolition setup combines a robust base machine with specialized attachments to efficiently dismantle structures ranging from small buildings to large industrial facilities. This method offers precision, safety, and adaptability across various demolition scenarios. Attachments allow for targeted demolition, minimizing collateral damage. Operators can control demolition from a safe distance within reinforced cabs. Quick attachment changes and powerful hydraulics speed up the demolition process. On-site processing reduces waste and transportation needs.
Etera Post Driver.
A specialized industrial equipment for driving piles or posts into the ground. It is a product of Etera, famous for providing accessories and equipment for excavators and diggers. Etera Post Driver is commonly used in construction, agriculture, and applications that require fast and efficient pile driving.
Big Bud 747. The Big Bud 747 is the world's largest agricultural tractor, a colossal symbol of mechanical power in the agricultural industry. Equipped with an engine, Detroit diesel V16, up to 1,100 horsepower. Includes 8 extremely large specialized titanium tires. Designed to pull extremely large farming equipment, such as 80-foot plows. Mainly operated in Montana, USA on thousands of hectares of fields. Only one Big Bud 747 was ever produced in 1977 by Northern Manufacturing Co., known as the King of the Field.
Cutter Soil Mix.
Industrial equipment used to mix and process soil, commonly used in construction and land reclamation. This machine helps to improve soil structure and prepare the site for various applications. The machine has powerful cutting and mixing blades, which help to disperse and combine soil, rock, and other materials to achieve uniform soil quality and improve its mechanical properties. Scarifier's Disc Trencher. Scarifier's Disc Trencher is a specialized equipment used for digging and preparing the ground in agricultural and construction applications. This equipment combines the features of a plow and an excavator to perform tasks such as cutting, digging, and tilling.
Excavator Wrecking Ball. An excavator equipped with a wrecking ball is a specialized demolition setup that combines the mobility and precision of an excavator with the destructive force of a traditional wrecking ball. While less common today due to advancements in demolition technology, this configuration is still utilized in specific scenarios where controlled demolition is required. A heavy steel ball, typically ranging from 2,000 to over 10,000 pounds, is attached to the excavator's arm. The operator uses the excavator's hydraulics to swing or drop the ball onto the target structure, effectively breaking it down. Ideal for demolishing concrete structures, bridges, and masonry buildings where precision is essential, and other methods like explosives are unsuitable.
Rock Arm Attachment.
Rock arm attachments are attachments for excavators or loaders that help handle and manipulate hard rocks and other difficult-to-handle materials. They are commonly used in construction, mining, and earth-moving applications. They are designed to handle hard rocks and difficult-to-cut materials.
Caterpillar 289D. Caterpillar 289D is a famous compact track loader model in Caterpillar's product line. Vertical lift system gives easy to load goods into the truck bed. Rubber tracks gives work well on soft ground, mud, sand. Closed and comfortable cabin, heated, air-conditioned, modern lifting control system. Ability to change accessories can be attached to buckets, forks, drills, crushers, etc. Caterpillar 289D is the best choice widely used in construction, agriculture, and urban landscape thanks to its versatility, strength, and ability to work on many terrains.
P12 planting machine. The P12 planter is a specialized agricultural equipment designed for precise and efficient planting. Designed to ensure accurate seed placement and spacing, capable of planting multiple rows at the same time, increasing planting efficiency and reducing labor time.
Markerist MFG.
Markerist MFG is a company specializing in providing equipment and tools for the agricultural and construction industries. The brand is famous for its high-quality products that help optimize work processes, harvesting equipment for a variety of crops, helping to collect products quickly and efficiently.
Big Wine T55. The Big Wind is a remarkable firefighting vehicle developed by Hungarian engineers, designed to combat large-scale oil well fires. Initially built on a T30 for tank chassis, it was later upgraded to a T55 chassis for enhanced performance. Equipped with two Timansky are 25 turbojets from MiG-21 fighter jets, producing a combined thrust of 27,000 pounds. Each engine is fitted with 3 water nozzles, capable of delivering up to 220 gallons of water per second. A crew of 3 operates the vehicle: a driver, a jet engine technician, and an external spotter who directs the operation.
Dogs of precise and uniform size.
Massenbrook V plow.
Massenbrook V plow is a type of plowing or tilling equipment designed to process and work with agricultural soil. It is a product of Massenbrook, a well-known brand in the agricultural and construction equipment industry. V-plow, also known as V-plow, is an important tool for preparing the soil before planting.
Rex Biz Truck. Rex Biz Truck is a super heavy-duty mining truck featuring a unique design and extremely powerful performance in harsh mining environments, especially open-pit mines. Exclusive multi-axle design, up to 8 axles, allows our EXX to operate in mines with weak terrain prone to subsidence. Ability to turn around in a small radius gives extremely flexible in the mine. More fuel efficient than traditional dump trucks. Integrated smart technology, real-time load monitoring, positioning, and technical status.
JIXX 60 LP. The JIXX EK60 LP is a versatile machine commonly used for piling and drilling applications. It is designed to perform a wide range of tasks related to foundation construction and soil investigation.
Excavator Auger. An excavator auger is a hydraulic attachment designed to drill precise holes into the ground, making it an essential tool for various construction, landscaping, and agricultural projects. Utilizes the excavator's hydraulic flow and pressure to power the auger, ensuring consistent performance. Enhances torque output, allowing the auger to penetrate tough materials like clay, shale, or frost. Available in various diameters and lengths to suit specific project requirements, from small fence posts to large foundation holes. Built with high-strength materials to withstand demanding drilling tasks and extend service life.
Pumpkin seed harvesting.
Pumpkin seed harvesting equipment is a type of machinery designed to efficiently harvest, separate, and process pumpkin seeds. Functions: separate pumpkin seeds from the flesh. Seed separator usually has cutting blades and vibration systems to clean and separate seeds from the pumpkin flesh. Easy gripper tire handler. Easy Gripper Tire Handler is a specialized equipment designed to handle and manage large tires, commonly used in industries such as agriculture, construction, and mining. Its main function is to lift, move, and position tires efficiently, especially those that are heavy and large.
Excavator Amphibious. The Amphibious excavator is a specialized construction machine designed to operate effectively in wet, swampy, or flooded environments. Its unique design allows it to perform tasks both on land and in water, bringing unprecedented versatility to many industries. Equipped with airtight, corrosion-resistant floats, the machine floats and moves stably in shallow water. It can be equipped with additional equipment such as a mud pump, long bucket, or underwater grass cutting equipment, expanding the machine's range of applications.
Combi SC3 Top Lift.
Combi SC3 Top Lift is a product of Combi Lift, a company well known for manufacturing lifting and material handling equipment. Combi SC3 Top Lift is a special forklift designed to handle heavy and bulky goods, especially in warehouses and industrial environments.
Low bed trailer. Low bed trailer is a low-floor trailer specialized in transporting super heavy or oversized machinery and equipment. Super low floor height, usually only approximately 0.5 to 0.9 meters above ground. Extremely large load capacity can carry from 20 to 100 tons depending on axle configuration. Flexible axle count, 2 to 10 axles depending on load. The tractor can be removed, allowing the vehicle to climb onto the trailer. Usually has a ramp at the back or a hydraulic system to raise, lower the floor. Low bed trailer is often used in the transport of military vehicles, large industrial components, often seen in construction, mining, heavy transport.
Pavement Waste Compactor. Pavement Waste Compactor is a type of equipment designed to compress and squeeze waste into a manageable size. This machine is commonly used in various industries and facilities to reduce the volume of waste, making it easier to handle, transport, and dispose of.
Arius Recycling.
Advanced machinery solutions for waste recycling and material handling, optimizing processing and minimizing environmental impact, can be customized to suit specific waste types and requirements.
Cord King.
A specialized equipment used to process wood into firewood, commonly used in the forestry industry. Cord King, known for its high-quality solutions in the wood processing sector, provides efficient machines for cutting, sorting, and processing firewood, capable of cutting wood into logs of precise and uniform size.
Bye bye!